In a bright green jungle lived a tiny bunny named Bun Bun. He was small, but his nose was very curious. One sunny morning, Bun Bun found a shiny yellow flower. He sniffed it. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Achoo! The sneeze was so loud that birds flew away, monkeys jumped, and even the river went splash. But the biggest surprise? The jungle's sleeping lion Leo woke up. Leo's mane was messy, his eyes half open. Who sneezed on my nap? All the animals ran away, but Bun Bun froze. His legs shook, his ears drooped. I'm sorry, Mr. Lion, Bun Bun squeaked. Leo leaned closer. Then suddenly, achoo! The lion sneezed too. His sneeze blew leaves everywhere. Bun Bun rolled like a ball. Whoop! Both of them stared at each other. Then they burst out laughing. I'm allergic to flowers, Leo laughed. So am I, Bun Bun giggled. From that day on, Bun Bun became the official jungle sneeze tester. And Leo, he learned to nap far away from flowers. Sometimes, even a tiny bunny can make the king of the jungle laugh.